Hey guys, I'm excited to announce that we are giving away a decked out PJ U7 utility trailer as our grand prize in our 12 Days of Christmas. We've also partnered with the guys at Blackwood to give this trailer a complete Blackwood Pro flooring upgrade, and not only that, the grand prize winner will also receive a set of ready rings and an exclusive PJ Ready Rail Accessory Kit to completely load this trailer out. Let's take a closer look at this U7. At the front we have a 2-inch A-frame bumper pull coupler and a 5K pipe mount swivel jack. The 12-foot deck of this U7 is 77 inches wide and has been upgraded with a full Blackwood Pro deck. This premium decking upgrade gives more traction when loading and prevents unwanted cargo shift while in transit. Like all of our PJ utility models, the U7 comes standard with our patent-pending Ready Rail system. This allows you to customize the trailer to your needs with ready rings and simple bolt-on accessories. As I mentioned earlier, the grand prize winner will receive a set of PJ Ready rings that quickly attach for additional tie-down locations and a PJ Ready Rail accessory kit to completely deck this trailer out. You can see all of our Ready Rail accessories at pjreadyrail.com. At the rear, we have a straight deck with a 4-foot fold-up gate. This heavy-duty gate is secured in place with spring-loaded J-hooks, meaning that there are no pins to keep up with when locking the fold-up gate back into place. This U7 wraps up in a beautiful red powder coat finish with a 3,500-pound Dexter axle and our black spoke wheel upgrade to complement the Blackwood Pro decking. Now entering is very easy. Just visit the link in the description and go to our Facebook page to check out our other giveaway items. Merry Christmas from PJ Trailers and good luck with the drawing.